If you use Instagram and you are getting the could not refresh feed error on it, don't worry. I will show you quick and easy fixes on how to fix could not refresh feed on the Instagram. So let's get started. Number one step is to check your internet connection. Switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn the airplane mode on and wait a few seconds and then turn it off. Then you can simply restart your Wi-Fi router as well. Step 2 is restart Instagram. Close the app completely just like this and reopen it. And if that does not work, simply restart your phone. Step 3 is to clear cache. Now to clear cache of the Instagram app, find the settings app and open it. After opening the app, find the general option. Now tap on it. Then tap onto iPhone storage. Then find the Instagram app on it. Just like this. Now select it. Now to clear the cache, simply tap onto Offload app. And after offloading it, the cache will be cleared of the Instagram app. And after offloading it, you need to reinstall it. Now the step 4 is updating your Instagram app. Now go to the App Store and open the Instagram, and if there is the update version, you can simply update it. If nothing works, then simply uninstall the Instagram app and reinstall it again. To uninstall it, simply tap on it, and here you can find the Remove app and remove it. And after removing it, simply reinstall it. That's it. Try these fixes and let me know in the comments which one worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.